So guys, now that I'm done with the installation, it is finally time to test it. So first what I'm going to do is turn the flywheel. You can see that the alignment is perfect. Now I have to give it the spin at a very high speed, and then I should hope for a perpetual motion, that it is going to gain speed or at least maintain it for eternity. Okay. So here, as you can see, that the engine does not work as I stated in my previous video that I posted on Mr. Electron's Scam Exposed. You can see these so many YouTubers actually faking this content, and this is actually trending on every channel. So they are making these kind of machines that somehow give them a hope to get free electricity to save their electricity bills, and this is what makes them interesting or intriguing. And in plain words, it is nothing but a scam. Irrespective of the fact if the springs are 2, 4, 8, it doesn't matter, it is never going to work. Hey guys, I've got this new power supply from Banggood's, and it's 150 watts. We can charge our car batteries and run motors and control the brightness of our headlamps with this. So pretty good edition, this one. Let's test. And now the motor rating is quite high, it draws a lot of current. So I've reduced the voltage so that it is going to draw lesser current. You see, 4 amperes. And here the power consumption is also stated 52 watts. You can see we can set the voltage to such a low value, 0.5 volts. I'm not sure if it is going to start or not, but let's try. Oh, it is even running at 0.6 volts. The windings are very thick, because of which it is running. You can see that it is consuming 0.3 watts and 0.5 amperes. This power supply is super precise, and I'm definitely going to recommend this.